Here we have two tracks. This one is an audio track with an audio recording of your voice. Meow. This is a MIDI track with a synth instrument there. Meow. Now on the audio track, we're gonna add a vocoder. And on the vocoder, there is a cat door. Now the cat door allows us to send a piece of this synth to this track here. We call that a carrier. Now this carrier signal is represented here with this beautiful jacket that the cat is wearing. So the jacket, the carrier signal is going from here to here. And there's a little hat on there as well. So what this carrier signal jacket means is that every time the cat is wearing it, it sounds robotic because the synth sound is mixing now with your voice sound. Let me show you this in the DAW. Okay, the first things first, add a vocoder to your audio track, not a MIDI track, because if you want to vocode your voice the very traditional cool way, then do it in an audio track. Also add a limiter after it because sometimes it gets really loud. So you just want to make sure that you're protecting your ears. So what we need to do is also add a MIDI channel next to it. And in the MIDI channel, you need to add a synthesizer. So example, wavetable like this. So I'm preparing myself to play a chord like that. Now I'm going to mute this because we don't want to hear the voice and the synth at the same time. We want to send a piece of that synth to on the top of my voice. So it works together. So what we need to go is to this carrier area. We're going to go to external. Okay. And external, we're going to choose the synth. There we go. Okay. I'm playing a chord right now, and this is how it sounds. The synth sound is not complex enough. Instead of sine wave, I'm going to make sure that it's outputting a square wave. How are you? How is things going? Already you could hear my voice a lot more.